Today we will see magnetic effect of electric currents. Till now we have seen about electric currents, what is electric currents, what is the heating effect of electric currents, how we use electric currents and different type of circuits. Today we will see, is there any magnetic effect of electric currents, what does it mean? Let us see one activity. If in this circuit where some resistance is connected, this is B, then I current is flowing. So this circuit is completed, this is resistance R. So what happens when we bring a magnetic compass here? Let us bring a magnetic compass here. This is magnetic compass. This is magnetic compass in which north and south are written. So when there was no current in the circuit, magnetic compass was stationary. Well, so when we switch on the key and when current started flowing in this circuit, then we see the deflection in magnetic compass. Now later same experiment has been carried out near all parts of the wire. That means here also. Every time whenever there is a current flowing in the circuit, magnetic compass deflects. And we know that magnetic compass deflects only when there is magnet. It means what? This magnetic compass is deflecting. It means there might be some magnetic field around this current carrying wire. So there is a magnetic field around current carrying wire. It means that there is a magnetic field. So we can conclude that whenever there is a current in the current carrying wire, then magnetic field is generated, and due to that magnetic field, this magnetic compass deflected. So we will see the magnetic field due to current carrying wire. So what is magnetic field? Okay, if you don't know what is magnetic compass is something this is magnetic compass. In magnetic compass, one needle, this is needle. This needle is made of magnetic material. Needle made of magnetic material. This compass is made of magnetic material. So, and in this magnetic compass, north and south are indicated. One side is north, one side is south. And generally, in magnetic compass, in magnetic needle, the needle which is pointing towards the north of Earth magnetic field, that needle is colored as red color, or it will be colored, so that you can understand which is north, which is south. So this is the magnetic needle, and this is the magnetic compass. It means north, east, south, west are written as. It is used to detect the direction. So how you will detect direction? If you place magnetic compass anywhere on the earth, the north section of this magnetic needle will point towards the north of the earth. How will you know which is north? In the magnetic needle, the north side is colored. It will be colored, or it will be marked as north, so that you can understand. So it is used to measure the direction. So whenever sailors used to go in the ocean, they keep magnetic compass with them, so that they can understand the direction, in which direction they are sailing, whether north, south. So this is the main function of magnetic compass, or main utility of magnetic compass. So here we have used the magnetic compass to indicate whether magnetic field is present around this wire or not. So what was the activity? Activity was that there is a whenever there is a current in the circuit, you place a magnetic compass near the wire, then you will see the reflection of the magnetic needle. It shows that there is magnetic field present around the wire. So what is magnetic field? Let us take another example. Let us take magnetic bar in which north and south are indicated. So now place a pieces of iron, very small pieces, something like this. Now place a very small pieces of iron toward near this magnetic bar. Place it everywhere here. Now after some time, what you will see, these irons are get aligned in particular manner, something like this. This iron are getting aligned something like this. What does it mean? No iron piece was something like this in this direction. All were arranged in certain particular way. What does it mean? It means that there might be some magnetic field or magnetic force which is acting on those iron in such a way that they are aligned in particular way. Now how do we know? Now take another activity. Take another activity in which take a magnetic bar. This is magnetic bar. Now place this magnetic compass near here, near north. So you will see that it is magnetic needle is directed something like this. This is north, this is south. Then again place here, then here it is directed something like this. Then place it here, north, south. Then place it here, north, south. Place it here, north, south. Place it here, north, south. So repeat same thing at every place in this path. That means put everywhere, you put magnetic compass here and see the magnetic needle direction, observe the magnetic needle direction. Then again put it here, observe the magnetic needle direction. 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 So if you see, observe carefully, what you will get that towards the north pole of this magnetic bar, magnetic needle has pointed in such a way that its south mark is towards the north pole and north part is something like this, away from the north pole. And in this position, again if you observe that south pole is at this towards the north of position of this place and north pole is away this side. And again if you observe here at this place, here also this side is north and this side is south. So this side is south and this side is north. I am talking about magnetic needle. Similarly, keep on experimenting. You will find that this side is again south part of the magnetic needle. This side is again north part of magnetic needle. Here also this part is south part of magnetic needle. This part is north part of magnetic needle. Here also south part and here also north part of magnetic needle, and so on. Here also you will observe similar pattern. In this region also you will observe similar pattern. In here also you will observe similar pattern. Basically, if you put anywhere along this path, you will see that north pole is this side, south pole is something like this. This is north, south. Here also north, south. So similarly north, south. south, north. Here also north, south, north, south, north, south. And if you keep on repeating at different places, pattern you will be getting similar. So what does this experiment or activity concludes? It concludes that around the magnetic bar, there is a magnetic field, which is the direction of magnetic field is from north pole to south pole, something like this. So something like this. So here this is the direction and lower side this is the direction. This direction shows that if you put magnetic compass here, the arrow direction will show the direction of north part of the magnetic needle. Here in lower side, if you put magnetic compass here along the line, you will see that magnetic compass, if you put it here, the north part of the magnetic needle will be along the direction of this arrow. So we conclude that any magnetic material produces magnetic field around the magnet. Any magnetic material produces field around the magnet, that is magnetic field. So what is magnetic field? What is magnetic field? Suppose this is magnet, this is north pole, this is south pole. So this magnet will produce, this is the region near to this magnetic bar. So whenever any magnetic material is placed in this region, force will be applied to that magnet. Suppose you are putting some magnetic material here. This is magnetic material. So force will be applied to this magnetic material. If you see, there is no contact between these two, but still force is applied. So magnetic field is that region which is created by magnetic material. Whenever any other magnetic material is brought towards that region, then magnetic force will be applied to that second material. That is the magnetic field. Magnetic field is a region surrounded by the magnet, at which region whenever another magnetic material is brought, then magnetic force is experienced by that material. That region is magnetic field. So we will study about magnetic field line. So what is magnetic field line? Magnetic field line concept is made by scientist or human being. There is no magnetic field line. This is imaginary line. To understand the behavior of magnetic field, we have conceptualized it as a magnetic field line. So how does magnetic field behave at this point, which is at some distance r, and at this point which is at some distance capital R? To understand the behavior of magnetic field, we have conceptualized the magnetic field lines concept. So what is magnetic field and what is the rule of magnetic field lines? Magnetic field lines is imaginary line. First of all, magnetic field is imaginary. Magnetic field line is imaginary line. There is no real line. So what does magnetic field line tells magnetic field lines tells the strength of magnetic field and the direction of magnetic field. Magnetic field has both direction and magnitude. What is magnetic field? Magnetic field is the region around the magnet where whenever another magnet is brought to that region, that magnet will feel magnetic force, and that region is known as magnetic field. So magnetic field has magnitude. Magnetic field has magnitude. Magnetic field has direction. Magnetic field has magnitude and direction. That means magnetic field is a vector quantity. In one word, it is a vector quantity. So we will not talk about vector property of magnetic field because we have to deal with magnitude and direction separately. We will not use the concept of vector quantity for class 10. So magnetic field has vector and magnitude. So what is magnetic field? And to describe the magnetic field, we have conceptualized the magnetic field lines. So what is magnetic field lines? Property of magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines first of all, it is the imaginary line. Outside the magnet, magnetic field lines. Outside the magnetic field lines outside the magnetic field lines goes from north to south pole. Goes from north to south pole. South pole of the magnet. That means if you see the figure, if this is north pole and this is south pole, it will go north to south, something like this. And inside the magnet, it will go from south to north. And inside the magnet, it goes from south to north. Something like this. This is north, this is south, this is the direction. So inside the magnet it goes from south to north, and outside the magnet it goes from north to south. Second thing, magnetic field line exists in closed loop. Magnetic field line exists in closed loop. Magnetic field lines exist in closed loop. What does it mean? Magnetic field line will exist in closed loop, something like this. This is closed loop. This is also closed loop. This is north pole. This is south. So this is the direction. So magnetic field line will exist in closed loop. Third point. Magnetic field line never intersects. Magnetic field line never intersects. Magnetic field line magnetic field lines never intersect. It means if this is magnet, this is magnetic field line, this is also magnetic field line. This is the direction, this is the direction. This side is north pole, this side is south pole. So you cannot draw magnetic field line in such a way that they are intersecting. If you draw something like this, so this will be wrong, because magnetic field line are intersecting at these 2 points, which is not possible. So magnetic field lines never intersect. Now, how do we know the direction of magnetic field? If we draw tangent on the magnetic field line, then we will get the direction of magnetic field. Tangent drawn on the magnetic field line, magnetic field line will give the direction of magnetic field. Will give the direction of magnetic field line. So if this is the magnetic bar, suppose this is magnetic bar, this is north pole and south pole. So I want to know the magnetic field, direction of magnetic field at this point. So we will draw the magnetic field line passing through that point. We already know the direction of magnetic field line. Magnetic field line goes from north to south outside and inside south to north. So we want to find the direction of magnetic field, let us say at this point. So what we will do? We will draw a tangent at this point. So tangent will be something like this. This is the tangent at this point. So this is the direction of tangent. It means the magnetic field has direction. The magnetic field has direction in this direction. At this place, this is the magnetic field direction. That means at this place, if you see, this is the magnetic field direction. This is the direction of magnetic field. So this was the property of magnetic field line. So we will see in next class, next topic of the magnetic field chapter.